Hey guys, I'm out here at West Virginia University at Vantage Ventures, which is a startup co-working lab that has the goal of bringing tech startups to the West Virginia region and ultimately wants them to stay here and help develop the tech economy here. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough so you can see exactly what this co-working space has to offer. It is pretty beautiful. So you walk in here, here's your lobby, fully stocked kitchen right in front of you. Really open floor plan, beautiful styling. Here is the lobby and one of the co-working spaces. There are individual offices for lease. I'm gonna walk down there. So just walking down this hallway, here is the event floor. So if you want to have a networking event, if you want to have a display of your product, your startup, you can come right down in here. You have this giant white wall that you can put slides on, put a video, whatever you want, and you can mingle, talk to individuals. Overall, really cool space, and what they're doing for the tech economy here in West Virginia is great. So if you have a startup in the area, consider coming to Vantage Ventures to build your brand.